Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Darshana. As you have already read in the title, today's video is going to be about Veet electric trimmer. Since last year during lockdown, I have been using this product and this has been such a life-saving product for me. I have been using this since March, I guess last year, and I am still using this one only, and this is one of the best. As you all know, during lockdown all the parlors and everything have been closed, so this has been real helpful and useful to me. So I thought why not share this product with you guys. So if you all are interested, keep on watching this video guys, and those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. And those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. If you like my videos, I'll be coming up with new videos every week. I mainly do videos on fashion, lifestyle hacks, DIYs and many more. So keep on watching guys. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. Comes in this cute packaging, and this retails for 2250 rupees, and I bought this one from Amazon. I got it for around 1500 last year. Every time Amazon में discount चलता रहता है, तो you can check this out and you will get this in a very cute pouch, and this is very travel friendly as you can carry this one anywhere you go. You will also get a user manual how to use this one. This is how it looks like guys. This is the body of the trimmer, and this one comes with two heads. So this is the first one. I generally use this one for my eyebrows and to remove my facial hair, and this one you can use in your pubic area, your underarms or your hand, leg, anywhere. And this body works with a battery, and you also get two combs. This is the large comb which you can attach to this like this when you are using this one in your pubic area if you want, and this small comb you can attach to this one, but I generally don't use the combs as I find it easy to use like this only. I trim my eyebrows with this one, and also my upper lips is very flexible. You can turn it right or left, or you can also keep it in the middle according to your preference, and you can insert the battery here, and then there is a switch here. You can hear the sound. This is on. It does not hurt, so you can use this very easily. But this is a trimmer, as I already told you. This is different from epilators, threading or waxing, because this one does not remove your hair from the roots. It will just cut the hair from the above. And I guess this is nice because now we are at home only and we can't go to the parlor. So I guess this is a good option. You can check this out if you want. I generally use it once a week because it works out for me. But if your hair growth is much, then I guess you can use it twice a week if you want. And this head is 16 mm and this is 6 mm. This horizontal one which I generally use for my hands or legs or in my underarm area. And you also get a cute cleaning brush which is very useful because when the hair comes out, then you can easily clean this off. But the combs, I generally don't use the combs. So I will be trimming my eyebrows using the small one. As you can see, यहाँ पे मेरा थोड़ा eyebrows आ गया. It's not clean, so I'll be trimming. Be careful when you use, as you don't want to cut off your eyebrows. So now I'll clean my forehead using the upper head of the trimmer. So you can see this eyebrow is almost clean. So now I'll do my upper lips also using this one, the big head. You can use it both on dry and wet skin. I generally use it dry, but you can also apply essential oils and you can use. So all the hair you can remove using the brush. So now you can also remove your facial hair using this one only. Yeah. So you can see यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा बाल आ गया है. So you can clean your facial hair using this brush. Trimmer is very handy and it is very useful for me. So now I'll show you how you can remove your hairs from your leg or your hand using this Veet trimmer. So let's get started. This is 20 mm. So I'll be using this one for my legs, and I use this on my hand and on my legs. So you can see I haven't shaved it in a while. So you see it's easily coming off when you see the hair. the part which I have done and all the hair have come out. So we will clean this. You can see the difference here clearly. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this video a little helpful, and I'll be really happy to know if I could help you in any way. And also, if you have any queries regarding this trimmer, you can comment down. I will try my best to answer your questions. And yeah, this trimmer have been really helpful for me since last year. I have been using this trimmer and I have just changed the battery once. Rather than that, it have been working perfectly fine for me, and I have not faced any issues since 1.5 years now. So yes, you can go for it if you want, and I'll put the link of this trimmer in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out in case you are interested to buy. This trimmer is painless. I used to go to parlors and I used to cry a lot during threading or waxing, and I am very scared of all those things because my skin is very sensitive, so I really get hurt. This has been a lifesaver for me as I have been relying on this one, and yeah, I have switched to this trimmer only since last year because this is so handy and I can use it anywhere, anytime according to my convenience. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell notification so that you get updated when I upload a video. I upload video every week. So thank you so much. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.